Communication and Network Concepts Important Q&A Part 2. 1. Mention one advantage of networking. The advantage of networking is to share computer equipments and programs, messages and the information available at one site. 2. Mention one difference between linear and star topologies in networking. The linear topology has short cable length and easy to extend, while on the other hand, the star topology has one device per connection and easy to access. Third, what is the purpose of using a repeater in network environment? A repeater is a device that is used to regenerate a signal which is on its way through a communication channel. A repeater regenerates the received signal and retransmits it to its destination. 4. Write one advantage and one disadvantage of bus topology. Advantage of bus topology: short cable length because there is a single common data path connecting all nodes. And disadvantage of bus topology is fault diagnosis is difficult. Although the bus topology is very simple, but in this topology fault detection is very difficult. 5. What is a transmission medium? A transmission medium is a medium of data transfer over a network. It can be wired or wireless. 6. Compare coaxial and optical fiber cable. Coaxial cable, it consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or braided wire shields, each separated from the other by some kind of plastic insulator. It is mostly used in cable wires. And optical fiber cable, it consists of thin strands of glass or glass-lined material which are so connected that they carry light from source at one end to destination at the other end. The main advantage of this cable is its complete immunity to noise, but this cable is very expensive as compared to the coaxial cable. 7. Name 5 wireless transmission media. The wireless transmission medias are radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, X-rays and gamma rays. 8. What is the frequency range of radio wave transmission? Radio waves have a frequency range of 3 kHz to 3 GHz. 9. Explain about Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth technology uses radio waves in the frequency range of 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz. This technology is used for short-range communication approx 10 meters in a variety of devices for wireless communication. Baby monitors, door openers and cell phones are some of the devices that utilize Bluetooth communication. 10. What is gateway? A gateway is a device which is used to connect different types of networks and performs the necessary translation so that the connected networks can communicate properly. Basically, it is used in internet that uses TCP and IP. 11. Write an advantage and disadvantage of using optical fiber cable. The main disadvantage of the optical fiber cable is that it is very costly, but the advantage is that it is free from any type of disturbances like noise distortion. 12. What is firewall? A firewall is a computer system or group of computer systems that reinforces information security between two networks. These networks are referred to as an internal network and an outside network. 13. Right to application of cyber law. Answer. Cyber law encompasses a wide variety of political and legal issues related to the internet and other communication technology, including intellectual property, privacy, freedom of expression and jurisdiction. 14. Name 2 transmission media for networking. Answer. Optical fiber and coaxial cable. And the last question for today, that is question number 15. Which of the following provides the maximum bandwidth? 1. Optical fiber. 2. Thin Ethernet. 3. Arcanet. Let's see if you can guess it. Answer, that is optical fiber. Thank you for watching our video. If you want daily updates from our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you.